Hey, John here. Finally got a camera remote control and it only took me about a week to lose the remote. It's around here someplace, I'll find it. Well, this is a follow-up to my video on the Dewalt DWM120K, their version of the Portaband. I also got a stand for it, so it stands up like a vertical bandsaw, and that's from Swag Company, SWAG, and it's nice. You'll see it. It's I can just show you a side view of it here. Oop, there it is. Where is it? Where are we at here? There it is. Swag. And I built a cutting sled for it. Hey, John here. I got my Swag table hooked up to my Dewalt saw. And you got a foot switch. Well, probably easier to just unplug it and lift it up. It's just a foot switch. Oh, got a sticker too. That you plug the cord into. You plug the cord into the foot switch, and the foot switch interrupts the circuit until you step on it. But you have to fasten the trigger down. I found using cable cuffs. I tried that, and that seemed to work. Let's try it again. There we go. I kicked the tripod 2 or 3 times, and we're still in the, yeah, we're still there. So we plug him back in. Throw the pedal on the floor. If you wanted to saw something, well, I don't want to saw this particularly. That's a Ball 14. That's not a scrap. You don't want to scrap. You're tripping over the stuff. Well, suffice to say, it cuts okay. Oh, it cuts good. Okay, my ass. It cuts great. Yeah. So we got, ouch, it's hot. We got a cut. What we got here, a little closer. You take the normal table that comes with the saw off of the saw, and you bolt this plate in that same place. And there's one knob underneath here. Oh. And I just found out you got to hang on to it. Anyway, then you can take it out. You still got the big table on it, but still got the big table on it. But you can use it. You can use it manually. Of course, you'd want to take this off. You can use it manually. No problem. Hey, John here. Got to show off the new swag table I got from my Dewalt Portaband here. So what we're going to do is, it's got a foot switch on it. Oh, let me show you its features. I built a quick and dirty little sled here from junk I had laying around. That's all there is to that. I want to put a constant pressure clamp on here, so because this one you have to adjust for thickness on every one, but constant pressure clamp will take care of that. Let me look around the side here so you can see all the best. I need to put a piece underneath of here for the back side of those screws. There we go. Let's get him lined up right. A little extra. Let's see, make sure I'm recording. Can't tell on this one without going around the back. Contact. Let me turn the speed down a little and see if that makes any difference. There we go. Well, the prototype seems to be working all right. I just this is just going to go under here, and I have to drill and tap that. Just because I originally was using a clamp that went the other way. If we're going to go this one, might just as well get it set up correctly for this. Oop, there we go. Have to mark this out, and you get back, you trim it off in the middle and tap it. In fact, why not just go ahead and punch those. rather than having any guesswork in the back room. Come on now. Hey, that's all set to go. A couple holes and tap that sucker. I just put my taps away too, didn't I? That's a good jump for tomorrow. I'm done. Okay. I've now put on a constant pressure clamp. I removed this clamp that you have to adjust every time. And the constant pressure clamp doesn't matter the size of the piece you put in there. It applies the same pressure to every one within reason. So that's a big improvement. I had to wait for that to come from Amazon. But now I've got something I can be happy with. It's slid on ultra high molecular weight plastic runners here. So we're in good shape. Happy with it? Okie dokie. Yeah, these over center clamps are fine, but you have to adjust the foot on it every time to different size materials. So the constant pressure clamp is just easier. Less fuss. More expensive, but less fuss. Okay, you're going to be adding a board to the bottom here for stability. Simply 4 screws, nothing to it. It just, I mean, this is rigid, but it'll be even more rigid with those legs attached. And I've left area on the sides for be able to clamp it to something, make it easy to clamp down. And so, there's the completed swag table with the Dewalt saw on it, and sitting on top of my festool. The little stand there, it won't slip off. There's a cleat sticking down into the handle hole, so it can't slide off. So it's pretty secure there. It's just that's the finish up on it. Put the table, or not. It's nice with the constant pressure clamp. So I can clamp on various size things without having to adjust it. Better than nothing.